Originally, when you have this airplane, the only way you got weather was through communication radios. Well, then you add a wired ability to get XM weather. Then you add internet. Well, now you have your charts that used to have paper, you have them on your iPad. I spot for Brad Keselowski in the NASCAR Cup Series, which is the highest level in NASCAR racing. They're physically flights that I have documented where you have an iPad on one lap, you have a graphical display for weather on another map, and you still have all your 4 screens in front of you. With the Primus Elite, we've gotten rid of all that. We have all the capability of getting our charts, getting geo-referenced taxiways, getting our XM weather. You've gone from very old technology on this picture to very new LCD. Everything's crisper, everything's cleaner, the lines are more defined, the colors are more separated, and it's much easier on the eyes. My job is to take care of the guys behind me. And if I can do that more efficiently by being able to grasp a better picture, it's a better enjoyable experience as a pilot, but it's also anytime you can do something more efficiently, you're going to add safety to that step anytime.